In the heart of New York City, James Carter, a master of sugar craft, stands amidst the glamorous confines of Dolce Vita, his thriving dessert empire. His days are steeped in the sweet aroma of baking confections, each more indulgent than the last. James openly shares his passion, revealing how each scrumptious dessert not only satisfies taste buds but also fuels his creative spirit. With a sparkle in his eyes, he confesses his undying love for sugar, that essential ingredient that brings both his creations and his joy to life, making every day a delicious celebration at Dolce Vita. The reality hits James like a bolt from the blue during a routine medical appointment. The words pre-diabetic echo through his mind, starkly contradicting his vibrant lifestyle. He's forced to pause and contemplate the longevity of his health against a backdrop of family memories marked by diabetes. This diagnosis catalyzes a profound realization: the endless days indulging in and crafting sugar masterpieces could gravely impact his future. It's a sobering moment for James, one that starkly highlights the need for immediate and sweeping changes to his diet and, fundamentally, his relationship with food. Undeterred by the daunting road ahead, James steps into the unfamiliar terrain of the ketogenic diet. The transition is rough, his body and palate deeply entrenched in a world of sweet indulgence. But with each passing day, his resolve strengthens. Learning from Dr. Sophia Lee, he begins to understand the profound impact of keto living and gradually, the cravings wane. James experiments with new, sugar-free recipes, turning each challenge into a victory. Through his journey, Sophia stands as a pillar of support, illuminating the path to a healthier lifestyle with patience and wisdom. Together, they navigate this new culinary landscape, rich with possibilities. As the months unfold, James recounts a tale of triumph. The scale and his steady glucose readings affirm the success of his unwavering dedication. It's a new dawn for him. Reinvigorated with boundless energy, he channels this vitality back into Dolce Vita, revolutionizing the menu to offer a tantalizing array of keto-friendly delights. His story, now etched in each dessert, resonates deeply, sparking a movement within the culinary community. Patrons and fellow chefs alike are inspired to rethink their dietary choices, propelled by James' transformation and his innovative approach to healthy yet delectable dining.